Welcome to the presentation on unit testing in ASP.NET Core, where we will explore how to ensure code quality and reliability through effective testing practices. Unit testing is a software testing method that focuses on testing individual components or units of a software application in isolation. The primary purpose of unit testing is to validate that each unit performs as expected. The importance of unit testing cannot be overstated. It allows for early bug detection, provides confidence in code changes, and serves as documentation for how the code is supposed to behave. In ASP.NET Core, there are several popular unit testing frameworks available, including XUnit, NUnit, and MSTest. Each of these frameworks offers unique features to facilitate effective testing. Here is a simple example of a unit test. In this code, we are testing a calculator class to ensure that the add method returns the correct sum when called. You can run your test using Visual Studio's Test Explorer or from the command line using .NET Test command. This flexibility makes it easy to integrate testing into your development workflow. To get the most out of your unit test, follow best practices, keep tests isolated, name them clearly, and ensure each test focuses on a single behavior. In conclusion, unit testing is essential for maintaining high code quality and reliability in ASP.NET Core applications. As a next step, consider exploring more advanced testing techniques and frameworks. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content on ASP.NET and SQL. Don't forget to like and share this video and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.